Hello and welcome to this A2 Elementary Lesson 38 with me, Kate. Today we're going to be considering present simple or present continuous. We're going to be looking at their uses and when to choose each one. Okay, so this is Michelle. Michelle wears a uniform in her job. What is her job? What clothes does she wear? Is her uniform smart, ugly, heavy, uncomfortable? Here's some more vocabulary. Getting ready, bright, dark, tops, makeup. So here's Michelle again. Look at the two photos of Michelle. So this is Michelle when we first met her. And this is Michelle now. In what ways does she look different now? It's Friday night and Michelle is getting ready to go out. At work, Michelle wears dark colours and very little makeup. So when she goes out, she wears bright colours. This evening, she's wearing a new pink top and a blue skirt and quite a lot of makeup. Fantastic. So I have some questions. I want you to use the text and the pictures. See if you can answer these questions. What's Michelle doing at the moment? She's getting ready to go out. What's she wearing? She's wearing a new pink top, a blue skirt, and quite a lot of makeup. What kind of colours does she usually wear to work? She usually wears dark colours. What colours does she wear to go out? She wears bright colours. Does she wear a lot of makeup at work? No, she doesn't. Is she wearing makeup tonight? Yes, she is. Here in our answers and our responses, we've got some really good examples of the present continuous and equally some examples of the present simple. So what's the difference? For example, the present simple, he likes ice cream. This is used for something that is generally true or repeated pattern or a habit. He likes ice cream in the past. He'll like ice cream in the future. He likes ice cream now. It's generally true. But this one, she is singing a song now. We use the present continuous to describe something that is taking place at the moment, in the present time. Okay, so let's have a think about that in a bit more detail. We use the present simple to talk about something that is always true. Laura comes from Rome. I don't speak Russian. We also use the present simple to talk about habits and routines. So you'll often see the present simple with adverbs like often, usually, and sometimes. We often watch a video on Friday night, for example. Do you usually wake up early? We use the present continuous to talk about something that is happening now or around now. So let's compare these sentences. John's phoning his girlfriend. This is something he's doing right now. John phones his girlfriend about 8 times a day. Here we're describing a habit, not something that's happening right now, so we use the present simple. I want you to choose the correct alternative, the present simple. She wears dark colours at work. Is this usually true or is this something that's happening now? This is usually true, so we use the present simple. She wears dark colours at work. What about the present continuous? Let's consider this. She's wearing a pink top tonight. Is this usually true or something that's happening now? That's right, it's happening now, so we use the present continuous. Here we've got some groups of words. I want you to think, do these groups go with the present simple or the present continuous? So usually, always, often, normally, every day. These are words that we'd use with habits and things that are generally true. So these are words you will often see with the present simple. What about now, today, at the moment? These, of course, are words to describe that something is happening in the present period of time. And so we would use the present continuous. Okay, some more vocabulary for you. We've got formal, casual, aftershave, jewelry. This is a hard word. Jewelry. Well done. Okay, so in this exercise, I want you to choose the correct tense for the questions. These are all questions based on the subject of what do you wear? Let's have a look at the first one. So if you need to pause the video, you can do that. Okay, I'm just going to highlight some clues. We've got the adverb here, usually, which remember is used with present simple for habits, things that are generally true. We've also got the word today, which means we're talking about something in the present period. Remember, that is going to be then the present continuous. So the correct tense for these questions would be, do you usually wear smart or casual clothes at college or work? And what kind of clothes are you wearing today? Do you usually wear smart or casual clothes at college or work? And what kind of clothes are you wearing today? Let's look at the next one. So I'm just going to highlight, we've got a word today and we've got the word normally. Are you wearing boots, trainers, sandals, or shoes today? What kind of shoes do you normally wear? Are you wearing boots, trainers, sandals, or shoes today? What kind of shoes do you normally wear? Next one. So we've got an adverb of frequency here. We've got usually. Do you usually wear a watch? Do you usually wear a watch? This one's tricky. So there is no adverb of frequency and there's no classic present period word like now or at the moment or today. What we do have is when the weather's hot. When the weather's hot, that's not a present period, that's something that is repeated. Every year, presumably, we have hot weather. So we could be discussing a habit. Do you wear socks when the weather's hot? Do you wear socks when the weather's hot? We're not talking about now, we're talking about a repeated habit. And the last one. Do you normally wear perfume or aftershave? Are you wearing any at the moment? Do you normally wear perfume or aftershave? Are you wearing any at the moment? Okay, that's it for today. Thanks very much for watching. I have a question, or two questions. What do you normally wear? What about if you go out to a restaurant? Leave your comments below. I look forward to reading them. Please don't forget to subscribe and show your support. And coming next in lesson 39, we'll be looking at some vocabulary for describing people. Thanks very much for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.